What if you could use artificial intelligence to generate income, even while you sleep? Right now, people around the world are using AI to build businesses, automate work, and create multiple income streams. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to make money with AI, even if you're a complete beginner. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future, it's the present. From content creation to automation, AI is transforming how money is made online. The best part? You don't need coding skills or a big investment to get started. Let's break down the most effective and realistic ways to earn with AI. One of the easiest ways to make money with AI is through content creation. AI tools can help you write scripts, generate blog posts, create thumbnails, and even edit videos. You can start a YouTube channel, build a blog website, create TikTok or Instagram content. Monetization options include ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Consistency plus AI equals faster growth. Freelancers are using AI to work faster and earn more. Instead of spending hours on tasks, AI can help you complete them in minutes. Services you can offer include content writing, graphic design, video editing, and social media management. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of clients looking for these services. AI becomes your assistant, not your replacement. AI opens the door to multiple side hustles. Print-on-demand designs using AI-generated art, selling digital products like ebooks or templates, creating online courses with AI-generated content. These are scalable, meaning you can earn repeatedly from one product. AI can automate entire business processes. From customer support chatbots to email marketing, AI reduces workload and increases efficiency. You can start an AI automation agency, help businesses save time and money, and charge monthly retainers. This is where serious income potential begins. AI can help you create high-converting content for affiliate marketing. You promote products and earn a commission for every sale. AI helps you write SEO blogs, create product reviews, and generate ad copy. Combine this with platforms like YouTube or a website, and you build passive income. Avoid these mistakes: relying 100% on AI without adding your creativity, expecting instant results, and not learning basic skills alongside AI. AI is a tool. Your strategy is what makes money. Making money with AI is not about shortcuts. It's about working smarter. Start with one method, stay consistent, and scale over time. The earlier you start, the bigger your advantage. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And comment below, which AI method are you going to try first? Because the future isn't coming, it's already here, and it's powered by AI.